Buffalo. Buffalo wings were created in 1964 from a delivery mistake. The Anchor Bar in Buffalo, New York, received chicken wings instead of the parts they ordered. Instead of sending them back, Teresa Bellissimo fried them and covered them in hot sauce and butter. She had no plan. Americans now eat 1.4 billion buffalo wings on Super Bowl Sunday alone. One delivery mistake created an entire food category worth billions of dollars annually.
Honey BBQ. Honey BBQ is the wing flavor that converted people who thought they hated wings. The combination of sweet honey and smoky BBQ sauce softens the heat enough for anyone to eat it comfortably. It became the default safe option at every American sports bar in the 1990s. If buffalo wings started the wing culture, Honey BBQ expanded it to everyone who found buffalo too spicy. It is the most ordered wing flavor at chain restaurants across America by a significant margin.
Lemon pepper. Lemon pepper dry rub wings became the defining food of Atlanta, Georgia. The city's hip-hop culture adopted lemon pepper wings as a cultural staple in the 2000s, and multiple Atlanta rappers referenced them in songs. The dry rub format, no sauce, just seasoning pressed directly into the skin, creates a crunch that wet wings cannot replicate. Atlanta wing shops started offering lemon pepper wet, which adds butter to the dry rub after frying. The rest of America is still debating whether this is genius or an act of culinary chaos.
Garlic Parmesan. Garlic Parmesan wings exist in the space between Italian cooking and American bar food. Roasted garlic, butter, and grated Parmesan pressed into crispy wings after frying. No heat, no sweetness, just fat and salt in their most effective combination. The flavor became mainstream in the 2000s when American casual dining chains needed a wing option for customers who wanted something other than buffalo. It is now one of the most ordered flavors at Wingstop globally, and the default choice for anyone who wants wings without actually committing to anything spicy.
Hot honey. Hot honey became the defining food trend of the mid-2020s, sweet and spicy simultaneously. A Brooklyn beekeeper started drizzling chili-infused honey on food in 2010 as a hobby. By 2025, it was on wing menus at every major chain in America. The combination works because honey amplifies heat instead of canceling it. Your brain registers sweetness first. The heat arrives afterward. By then, it is too late to stop eating. Food scientists describe it as one of the most addictive flavor profiles that exists.
Mango Habanero. Mango Habanero is the wing flavor that lies to you. It looks tropical and sweet. The mango color suggests something refreshing. Then the habanero arrives. A habanero pepper registers between 100,000 and 350,000 Scoville units. A jalapeno sits at 8,000. Wingstop made Mango Habanero one of their signature flavors, and it consistently ranks as both the most ordered and most complained about wing flavor they sell. People order it once out of curiosity. Then they order it again because the combination of tropical sweetness and genuine heat is impossible to forget.
Korean Gochujang. Korean fried chicken changed how the world thinks about wings. The double fry technique creates a crust so thin it shatters like glass. Gochujang, a fermented chili paste used in Korean cooking for centuries, provides heat with depth and complexity that American hot sauces cannot replicate. Korean wing restaurants started appearing in American cities in the 2010s, and the format spread globally within a decade. The combination of technique and sauce created something so different from buffalo wings that food critics stopped comparing them and started treating Korean wings as their own category entirely.
Nashville Hot. Nashville Hot chicken was invented as an act of revenge that backfired. A woman made an extremely spiced chicken for her unfaithful partner, expecting the heat to punish him. He loved it. The Prince family developed this style from the 1930s onward. Applied to wings, the cayenne paste pressed into the hot skin after frying creates heat that builds with every bite rather than hitting immediately. Nashville hot wings remained a regional specialty for decades before national chains discovered them in the 2010s. The revenge dish that failed to punish anyone is now one of the most replicated flavors in American food.
Hickory Smoked BBQ. Hickory Smoked BBQ wings require patience that most wing preparations do not. The hickory wood smoke penetrates the meat over hours before the wings ever see a fryer or oven. The result is a depth of flavor that sauce alone cannot create. True hickory smoke has been used in American BBQ since indigenous peoples of the Southeast first used it to preserve meat. The smokiness works on wings because the skin acts as a membrane that traps smoke compounds inside. Every BBQ chain has a smoked version. None of them taste exactly the same because hickory trees vary by region, and no two smoking setups produce identical results.
Teriyaki. Teriyaki sauce was invented in Japan using soy sauce, mirin, and sugar reduced together until glossy. The word teriyaki combines teri, meaning shine, and yaki, meaning grill. Japanese immigrants brought the technique to Hawaii in the early 20th century, where it merged with American BBQ culture. Hawaiian teriyaki is sweeter and thicker than the Japanese original. When teriyaki wings arrived in American restaurants in the 1980s and 1990s, they used the Hawaiian version, not the Japanese one. Most Americans eating teriyaki wings are eating a Hawaii interpretation of a Japanese technique filtered through mainland American fast food. Nobody minds.
Sweet chili. Sweet chili sauce originated in Thailand as a dipping sauce for fried foods. Thai immigrants and the global spread of Thai restaurants introduced it to Western markets in the 1980s and 1990s. The combination of sugar, vinegar, garlic, and mild chili creates heat low enough for almost anyone to handle, with sweetness forward enough to be immediately appealing. Sweet chili wings became one of the most popular flavors in British and Australian wing culture specifically because the heat level is approachable. In the Netherlands, it is consistently one of the top-ordered wing flavors at American-style restaurants.
Cajun Dry Rub. Cajun seasoning comes from Louisiana, where French, African, and Native American cooking traditions merged over centuries into something that belongs entirely to that region. The dry rub format applies the spice blend directly to the skin before cooking, rather than adding sauce afterward. The result is heat that comes from inside the crust, rather than sitting on top of it. Cajun dry rub wings became popular nationally in the 2000s as American food culture developed a serious interest in regional Southern cooking. The flavor profile, paprika, cayenne, garlic, onion, and oregano, is now one of the most recognized spice combinations in American cooking.
Butter chicken wings. Butter chicken sauce on wings is a fusion that should not work as well as it does. The sauce, tomato, cream, butter, and spices slow-cooked together, was invented in Delhi in 1947 from leftover tandoori chicken. Applied to American-style fried wings, it creates something neither Indian nor American cooking ever produced independently. Indian fusion restaurants in the United States and Britain started serving butter chicken wings in the 2010s, and the format spread rapidly. The combination of crispy American wing technique and rich Indian sauce created a flavor profile that both cultures immediately recognized as their own.